Hey there! Welcome back to the course, where we're all about helping you make smart choices for your family and your wallet. If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to help your family save money, without sacrificing what matters most. Every dollar counts, especially when you're juggling bills, groceries, and those little surprises life throws your way. Today, I'm going to let you in on a secret that could put hundreds of dollars back in your pocket every year. Shopping around for your insurance policies. Auto, homeowners, and even life insurance, once a year. Yep, just once a year. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference over time. Let's start with the why. Insurance companies change their rates all the time. They adjust pricing based on new data, competitor moves, and even weather patterns. Sometimes they even offer special discounts or incentives to attract new customers, which you might miss if you just let your policy auto-renew. So the quote you got last year, it might not be the best deal anymore. In fact, you could be paying more for the same coverage, just because you haven't checked what else is out there. By shopping around annually, you're making sure you're not overpaying for the exact same coverage. It's like giving yourself a yearly raise, just by being proactive. Imagine what you could do with those extra savings, maybe a little more breathing room in your monthly budget. Now here's how to do it without losing your mind. I know insurance can feel overwhelming, but breaking it down into simple steps makes it totally manageable. First, gather your current policies. Pull out your auto, home, and life insurance documents, or log into your online accounts to download the latest versions. Check your coverage limits, deductibles, and what you're actually paying. Make a quick list or spreadsheet so you can easily compare apples to apples later. Then it's time to compare. Use online tools, call a few companies, or reach out to a professional for help. The key is to get at least 3 quotes for each type of policy. But not all insurance shopping is created equal. It's easy to get lost in the details or feel overwhelmed by all the options. Here's where things get interesting. Should you use an insurance agent or an insurance broker? This choice can make a big difference in how many options you see and how much you might save. An agent usually represents just one company. They're experts in their own products and can answer all your questions about that specific brand. They know their products inside and out, but their options are limited to that one brand. If you're loyal to a company or have unique needs, this might work for you. A broker, on the other hand, isn't tied down. They're like your personal insurance matchmaker. They work with multiple insurance companies, so they can compare policies and prices from lots of different carriers all at once. This means you get a broader view of what's available. That usually means you get better choices and often better prices. Plus, brokers can help you understand the fine print and find discounts you might not know about. So, if you want the widest selection and the best shot at lower premiums, working with a broker is the way to go in most cases. They do the legwork, so you don't have to. It's like having a personal shopper, but for insurance. They'll help you find the best fit for your needs and budget. Don't forget, when you're comparing, look at more than just the price. The cheapest policy isn't always the best value. Make sure you're comfortable with the coverage, the deductible, and the fine print. Check for exclusions, limits, and what's actually covered in case you need to file a claim. Cheaper isn't always better if it means gaps in protection for your family. Peace of mind is worth a few extra dollars if it means you're truly covered. So, every year, mark your calendar. Set a reminder on your phone or jot it down in your planner. Just 1 hour a year can lead to big savings. Take an hour to shop your auto, homeowners, and life insurance. Review your needs, compare your options, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Use a broker to keep your options open. They'll help you navigate the process and make sure you're getting the best deal possible. And you might just find yourself saving enough to pay down your debts or start your retirement account. Thanks for watching, and here's to smarter spending and more fun with the people you love.